Looking for a stylish yet powerful smartwatch tailored for women? This 1.85-inch full-touch health and fitness smartwatch is designed to do more than just tell time. It keeps you connected, healthy, and in control. Compatible with both Android and iPhone devices, this smartwatch supports Bluetooth calling, allowing you to make and receive calls directly from your wrist. You'll also receive real-time notifications for SMS, social media, calendar alerts, and more, so you never miss a beat. What truly sets it apart is its comprehensive health monitoring suite. It tracks your heart rate 24/7, monitors SpO2, blood oxygen levels, blood pressure, and even offers detailed sleep analysis to help improve your rest. With over 100+ sports modes, it's perfect for all kinds of physical activities, from yoga and walking to HIIT and swimming, providing real-time tracking and performance metrics. Customization is a breeze with 300+ watch faces and 3 interchangeable bands, letting you change up your look to suit any outfit or mood. The watch also includes female health tracking features, sedentary reminders, hydration alerts, and even breathing training for stress relief. With a long-lasting battery, IP67 waterproof rating, and a user-friendly interface, this smartwatch is an ideal everyday companion for women who want to stay fit, stylish, and connected. Whether you're heading to the gym, the office, or a night out, this all-in-one device blends fashion and functionality to support your lifestyle. Ladies, if you've been looking for a smartwatch that doesn't compromise on style or health features, you may want to check this out. This 1.85-inch smartwatch is built with over 100 sports modes, 300+ customizable dials, and comes with 3 stylish bands. But how good is it really? Let's find out. Right out of the box, you get the smartwatch, 3 interchangeable bands, metallic, silicone, and leather, so you can switch up your style. The 1.85-inch display feels large but lightweight. It's got a sleek finish that works for both gym time and dinner dates. The screen is bright, colorful, and easy to read even under direct sunlight. The touch response is smooth. You also get over 300+ dial faces, which is honestly a treat if you love switching aesthetics. You can make and receive calls right from the watch, perfect for when your phone is buried in your bag. It also supports SMS and app notifications, including WhatsApp, Facebook, and more. Pairing with both Android and iPhone is seamless. Whether you're into running, cycling, dancing, or yoga, this watch has over 100 sports modes to match your routine. It tracks calories, steps, and even detects movement automatically. It's not a pro athlete's tool, but for everyday fitness, it's excellent. Where this smartwatch really shines is in health tracking. The 24/7 heart rate monitor gives consistent data. It also monitors your SpO2, blood pressure, and sleep stages.